Hey FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with yet another Barbie gadget, which is DIY miniature laptop. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, you have to take these 6 parts out of cut paper, and then you have to take one silver cut paper as well, just the same size, and you can see all of these size are same. So now what you have to do is that you have to stick some glue and you have to start sticking these parts on top of each other. Guys, it's totally up to you. If you have little bit thick card paper, then you can use little less thin layers, and if you have very thin card paper, then you can of course use more layers to make it thick. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with the piece, so you can see the thickness now. So now what I'll do is that I'll cut out the sides little bit, and after doing that I get these 2 parts, and now I'll just use my sandpaper and scrub off so that the sides are even now. Now I'll take this craft wire and I'll just use a white cut paper, or you can say a white plain paper, just around it so that I get this coiling. Okay, so after this is done now guys, you can see the measurement and you have to cut out the axis. So once this is done, I'll also use this craft wire and I'll just cut it off. You don't have to throw it guys. Okay, so once these 2 parts are now done, now what you have to do is that you have to take the craft wire, put some glue on the other end, and then you have to take it to the top. So this is the one part, then you have to stick on the middle part and then again the corner one. So this will help the laptop to move easily, so you have to do this into the 3 parts. So after this is done, now I'll just use my hot glue gun and stick it over here. Okay guys, so once that is done, I'll stick the other part as well. And then I'll use these 2 paper stripes. And these are very tiny cutouts. I'll just use it on the sides just to secure that. And after it's nice and secured, it will look something like this. So now you can see it's nicely opening and closing. After it's done guys, I'll take another piece of cut paper and I'll just draw this keypad on top of that. So you can measure the keyboard according to your laptop and you have to draw this. Alright, so once it's done, it will look something like this. Then you have to take a black pen, or you can take black paint, and you have to just draw it and make it look more nicer. And once that is done, let's start painting the cover of the laptop as well. So after doing that, let's make the screen. So I didn't wanted the screen to be plain black, so I decided I'll just use this beautiful scenery and then a thick translucent sheet on top of it. And then this is the silver cut paper sheet which I'll be sticking over here. Now let's take the keyboard this way, yes. And once this is done, you have to stick of course the remaining part, which is the mouse. So for that I've used this black paper and the screen, and then of course the logo. So guys, this is it. This is the final video of the laptop. Now let's make another one, which is the Barbie laptop, and that will be a little bit small. So for that I'm using this second trick which you can also use, and it's really simple and easy. You just have to take a little bit thick cut paper and you have to just fold it around. After that you can make it look more thicker just by adding some more layers. And once you're happy with the results, you can just stop adding the layers. Okay, so now I'll just cut out the edges as well, just like the same I did before one. Once that is done, you can see this is how it looks. Now let's start painting this with this beautiful bright pink color, because it's Barbie laptop, so it should be pink, right? So that's what I did. Now I'll attach the keyboard and the mouse, and then of course the screen, which is a beautiful lady singing. And once that is done, of course the logo just to complete the laptop, and ta-da! This is what it looks like, guys. These are my two laptops. One is completely real. This also can be used in dollhouse, and the other one is the pink, bright pink color. This can also be used for Barbies. So this is it, guys. This was the final video. It was really easy. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.